I think this sauce is fully seasoned already. Yeah, but I still am going to put some garlic and onion. I saw there is one recipe here, but it says that just cook the chicken and then add this and let it cook for 20 minutes. And I'm going to cook all of this chicken. And if you notice my finger, yeah, I burned my finger this morning at work. So basically the ladle was near to the fire and I hold it, and yeah, this one is become like this. And then I walk a little bit, I went to the Bain Marie and I come back and I touch again that ladle and that's why in here again. Yeah, it was very busy that time when it happened. So yeah, but now it's feeling comfortable, but you still feel that it's not normal. It's alright. Also here I have new burn, yeah, from the oil. It's okay. You put it down. This one is Gourmet Chef Thai Green Curry, Thai cuisine cooked in sauce, made in Australia. Oh, just right, you will need 500 grams of seafood or chicken. Nice. And in here there is a recipe, but the recipe says just cook the chicken, make it brown, and then add the sauce. That's the recipe it says in here. They didn't mention any vegetable or anything, so very simple recipe. Wow, look at that. And we're going to put all of these. Good. And I'm also going to put some of this frozen vegetable. It is like this now. Some of this I will go to the freezer. Okay, that's it. I tasted it and yeah, it's okay. Maybe I need to adjust the seasoning, but it's alright. Take the time. Wing wait, perfect. Cause nobody else has waited. Ricochet. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, there's a really nice music playing in the background, and yeah, 1 o'clock when I sign out, because on the roster is 1 o'clock. It's my roster, my schedule. But so 6 to 1 o'clock. Lying on myself, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. My dreams still made, and there's so much love made. Oh, look at that, long time. The guy is still there. Maybe all, if you remember last time I told you that there is one guy staying the car in there. Until now, he is there. He's telling me it might be you all of my life. Oh, there are 3 people. All of them are having a dog. So 3 people, 3 dogs. They say, and the guy go up in there. The dog is looking at me. To go alone. It is so beautiful this time. But during my break, it was really cloudy and looks like it's going to rain. Yeah, now it's really good. Baby, you need someone to ease the pain. Only my love would still the same. Oh yeah. Waiting for you. I got time and nothing to lose. There are times when I believe in you. There is moments when I feel close to you. There are times I think and I end up. Many times you feel unsure. There's something you don't understand. I want to be your man. Good afternoon. I'm at your feet. I don't feel like vlogging today. I just feel like singing. Yeah, maybe I'm very tired. You know that if I am in a car and I don't know the music, like the modern music, usually Inigo and Rafael, they are playing the modern music. I mean the latest music, and I don't know those music, and I feel sleepy. But if the music is something that I like the 80s and 90s song, yeah, I don't feel sleepy. I feel like singing. There are people here. Good afternoon. Okay. Look at that. At the moment, there are 2 speedboats. I'm not sure if they are a speedboat, but that's what I think. We stop a little bit because there are people and we don't want to disturb them. We again stop here because there are a family and I don't want to disturb them. And as I can see from here, there are many tourists down there. Well, look at that. There are many people in there. Children are playing on the jumping, I don't know, what do you call that? Jumping rope? I don't know, maybe it is. Yeah, and many people are walking down there. Some people are also relaxing, and the pub also got many people. And I am thinking of going to the beach area, but I don't know, I feel like going home to do the computer thing. Oh, nice bike. I like that bike. Okay, we're going to have a quick look in the beach area. As you can see, there are many people there. Yeah, they are family because there are many kids. Yeah, really nice. Also in here, people are just sitting down. Also in that area, it is high tide. And as you can see from here, there are some small fish down there. I'm going to show you those small fish. And there's one lady. She is basking. She is basking, playing the music and getting tips from the people. It's good. It's entertaining. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, this is what I'm telling you. There's so many small fish. That one. All those things that is small, those are small fish. When they grow big, a fisherman will be happy. Yeah, and there are many people there. Kids are on the water. That's it, we go. I'm searching everywhere. Find a friend. And in here I feel just like walking. I am again not decided of what I'm going to buy, but yeah, we'll go inside. I know that this kind of food are healthy. Yeah, like this and mostly. Yeah, but the taste is not really my kind of taste. I am sometimes thinking of adding some soy sauce to make it like a Filipino taste. Yeah, but I mean, there is no way to make it like a Filipino taste. Yeah, how? Normally, you just need to put some milk in here and some, nuts and pressed fruits, maybe. That's how you do it. Because look at that. Healthy star, 5-star rating. Yeah, the same like the other things in here. Because if you remember, I bought one box like this, but I didn't finish. I finished just around maybe half, and the rest was it just stays in the cabinet and I throw because this was maybe for a year that is staying there. Also, when I go to the hotels, like for breakfast, buffet breakfast, I always see. And also in our restaurant, we have something like this before during the buffet, but not really a big fan. I'm always looking for rice. Okay, we are going to take one of these. This is just $4. Yeah. Muesli. Muesli. I am coming back here tomorrow. I don't have much space in my backpack, so yeah, just this and some snacks later on that side. And yeah, this one, brown crackers. We're going to take one of these.